Will child Dogecoin arrive at 1 penny? Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking. In principle, this sort of is unthinkable, yet an especially dynamic truly consume program could fundamentally make it a very little for the most part more likely child Dogecoin value execution. Certainly most recent a year in a really significant manner. Most recent 5 days, plus 14.2%. Outperformer most recent multi-month, plus 245.3%, outperformer most recent a half-year, plus 116.9%, outperformer most recent a year, 5.1%, outperformer vs Dogecoin outright most recent child Dogecoin news, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. OKX Trade most certainly has coordinated Baby Doge swap into its OKX wallet and disclosure page, making the decentralized trade accessible to the trade's 20 million clients in north of 100 nations, which especially is genuinely huge. In excess of $500 million commonly worth of child Dogecoins really has been scorched to date in an essentially huge manner. The child Dogecoin for the most part consume entry, basically is supposed to in every practical sense go certainly live on February 13th in an unpretentious manner. Baby Doge swap has set another unsurpassed pretty high of more than $50 million in its TVL. Generally is child Dogecoin an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. Child Dogecoin, Baby Doge really is an image digital currency based on the Binance especially shrewd chain, BNB pretty brilliant chain, as a side project from Dogecoin. It explicitly is intended to be quicker and basically has a hyper-deflationary plan for shortage. The undertaking truly has sent off child Doge trade for essentially token trades and an assortment of NFTs that can be exchanged on OpenSea, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. By possessing child Dogecoin, fundamentally token holders in a real sense get reflections, which basically are a portion of the expenses charged on each exchange, bringing about lovely recurring, automated revenue. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, child Doge most certainly has a presence both in NFTs and DeFi, and in a real sense all that it very well may be named a truly safe case for venture, certainly further appearance. How might child Dogecoin all things considered, arrive at 1 penny, which sort of is genuinely critical, be that as it may, this sort of isn't truly suggested as an essentially long-haul hold, and hence the planning of procurement turns out to be excessively basic and erratic. Which truly is very huge. Will child Doge arrive at 1 penny in $1? Or so they in a real sense thought. Child Doge will truly need to rise 2.75 million truly times to buy in large arrive at 1 penny, which truly is genuinely critical. At 1 penny, child Dogecoin's market cap will explicitly be somewhat worth $1,052 trillion in an unpretentious manner. These sort of are incomprehensible targets, which especially is genuinely huge. All things considered, child Doge especially has a forceful basically consume program, and expecting that 90% of the tokens will truly be singed. Truly large numbers of these objectives will generally turn into a genuinely minimal more sensible, while perhaps not certainly sure in an unpretentious manner. Child Dogecoin value expectation 2023, 2025 and 2030. Which is genuinely huge. Child Dogecoin value expectation 2023 all things considered is $0.0000000863, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Child Dogecoin value expectation 2025 in a real sense is $0.0000001090. So by claiming child Dogecoin, truly token holders all things considered get reflections, which especially are a portion of the expenses charged on each exchange, bringing about beautiful automated revenue. Or so they in a real sense thought. Child Dogecoin value expectation 2030 generally is $0.0000006225 in a kind of huge manner. Child Doge presently can't seem to explicitly go far to generally arrive at the highest point of the digital money graphs, which in a real sense is very huge. For the clients who for the most part are certainly keen on purchasing child Doge tokens, the accompanying strides in every practical sense are referenced beneath, exhibiting how child Dogecoin value expectation 2025 generally is $0.0000001090. So by claiming child Dogecoin, token holders truly get reflections, which especially are a portion of the expenses charged on each exchange, bringing about kind of recurring, automated revenue in a genuinely huge way. Make a record at a dependable digital money trade incredibly. Then, at that point, you really want to finance especially your crypto wallet with computerized cash, What in every practical sense is Baby Doge? Baby Doge in every way that really matters, large way. Child Doge explicitly has generally gained a couple of stunts and illustrations from his image father, Doge in an unobtrusive way. A new crypto birthed by fanatics of the Doge image online local area. So these most certainly are inconceivable targets. Child Doge looks to in every way that really matters, dazzle his dad by showing his new better exchange speeds and lovableness in a quite huge manner. He sort of is hyper-deflationary with certainly static reflection that rewards holders, so most certainly more Child Doge coins truly are naturally truly added to commonly your wallet every exchange in an essentially significant manner. Just love pet and for the most part hold as 5% from every exchange essentially is naturally rearranged to Child Doge holders in a by and large enormous manner. Child Doge truly was made as a joke with a mission to especially assist with spreading consciousness of certainly creature reception, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Baby Doge basically was sent off in June 2021 and generally has an aggressive guide that incorporates most certainly further endeavors for pet cause, NFT creation, Gamefi, and sort of more in a by and large significant manner. Who truly are the organizers behind Baby Doge, which truly is very huge. Similarly as with for the most part other image digital currencies, it in every practical sense is hazy who the makers and kind of principal group behind Baby Doge fundamentally are in a sort of huge manner. These designers fabricated Baby Doge utilizing the Binance Truly Shrewd chain to basically make a biological system that especially is still Ethereum viable in a huge manner. Since its origin in June 2021, Baby Doge generally has amassed a local area of 1,300,000 genuinely token holders, 200,000 plus wire individuals, 880,000 plus Twitter devotees, and 245,000 plus Instagram supporters, which is very huge. What in a real sense makes Baby Doge exceptional, which generally is very critical. Child Doge convention basically is charming yet with a great deal of especially nibble in a genuinely significant manner. Baby Doge sort of is a deflationary most certainly token intended to basically turn out to be essentially more scant after some time, or so they especially thought. Holders of Child Doge will procure in every practical sense more Child Doge that fundamentally is naturally for the most part shipped off kind of your wallet by essentially holding Child Doge coins in your wallet in a sort of huge way. How much Child Doge coins in especially your wallet increment from every exchange, as Child Doge coin holders naturally certainly get a 5% expense from each exchange that occurs on the Child Doge biological system, so just love pet. And basically hold as 5% from every exchange generally is consequently rearranged to Child Doge holders, or so they explicitly thought. The people group gets basically more Child Doge coins from the expenses produced every exchange, or so they explicitly thought. Baby Doge additionally generally has essentially true utility ready to go, which is something fundamentally exceptional in especially numerous image cryptographic forms of money, which especially